your thoughts won't shut up, your inner critic is raging and you just want to put your brain in timeout? How about peace of mind in 3 minutes as you discover this simple breathing meditation that the Buddha gave to his disciples to tranquilize their minds? And I mean, if it's good enough for the Buddha, well, let's try it out. Come sitting in easy pose. We're going to start with a mudra, with a hand posture. You're going to curl your ring finger and your pinky finger down. And just using these 3 fingers right here, you're going to touch your thumb together, your middle finger together, just like that. And then you're going to curl your index finger down so those middle digits of your index finger touch. And you're going to bring this mudra right in front of your heart center, pointing away from you, your forearms parallel to the mat, shoulders relaxed, and your eyes are focused right here at the tip of the nose. The tranquil mind, breathing pattern. Inhale for 1 verse, hold for 1 verse, exhale for 1 verse, and hold for 1 verse. And let's do that. Here we go, together.
Satnam, 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 Vaheguru. 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 Satnam, 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 Vaheguru.
And closing the eyes, inhaling deeply, suspending the breath. And exhale, release the arms. Hands in Gyan Mudra, thumb and index finger touching, palms facing the heavens. Just breathing into this calmness, into your inner space. And there you are. I hope this helped to calm your mind a little bit. Do this as often as you need to for 3 minutes.